Hi, I'm Dr. Bo Johnson. I'm the founder and medical director of Rocky Mountain Vein Clinic. I'd like to welcome you to our clinic. We're the regional leaders in vein care, and there are a few key principles we adhere to maintain that position. Why don't we take a look inside? We believe that vein care should be carried out in a warm, caring, friendly environment. We strive to do this by creating a relaxing atmosphere and hiring staff that are courteous, professional, caring, and warm people. We also believe that education is a priority. It is very important to us that you understand everything about your vein care. I want you to understand about venous disease, and we want you to understand what our recommendations are and why. So by the time you leave the clinic, you're somewhat of an expert on vein care. We also believe it is important to be partners with you long-term in your care. We want to make sure that you have healthy legs and a healthy lifestyle long into the future. I'd like to walk you through the typical day of a new patient at Rocky Mountain Vein Clinic. It generally starts with a visit with either a physician or a physician assistant. We'll sit down with you, we'll go over your physical exam and your history to determine if there's a likelihood that you have venous disease or not. If it looks like that you do, we'll set you up for an ultrasound. An ultrasound is a very detailed mapping of all the major veins in your leg, and that really tells us if you have vein disease or not. At that point, if you do have vein disease, we'll put you into some venous compression stockings. Now, the reason for this is that most insurance companies require you to wear them for about 3 months prior to considering payment for any vein treatments. So after 3 months, we'll have you back. One of the doctors will sit down with you, and typically we spend about an hour. We'll go over the ultrasound. We'll also repeat your history and physical exam. We'll do some vein education, and then we'll figure out what treatment path is best for you. Once we've done that, we'll go over the risks and the benefits of that procedure, and we'll also talk about the post-procedure instructions, so you're fully informed about your procedure. I'd like you also to take some time to look around this website. We've spent a great deal of time and effort to make this an educational tool. In particular, there's a video that demonstrates me doing several of these procedures. This is helpful because it gives you a good idea of what you would expect here, and anxiety is usually caused by the unknown. I'd like to thank you for selecting Rocky Mountain Vein Clinic for your vein care needs.